Personalized learning is revolutionizing the educational landscape by tailoring instruction to the unique needs, interests, and abilities of individual students. This approach recognizes that every learner is different, and that a one-size-fits-all method can often lead to disengagement and underachievement. By focusing on each student's distinct profile, personalized learning aims to create a more engaging and effective educational experience that fosters deeper understanding and skill mastery. At the core, personalized learning is the concept of student agency. When students are given the opportunity to take charge of their learning, they become more invested in the process. They can choose topics that align with their interests, set personal goals, and learn at their own pace. This empowerment not only enhances motivation, but also encourages students to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills as they navigate their educational journey. Another essential aspect of personalized learning is the use of data-driven instruction. Educators can gather and analyze data from assessments, classroom activities, and student feedback to understand where each student excels and where they may need additional support. This information allows teachers to tailor their instruction accordingly, providing targeted interventions or enriched opportunities to ensure that all students make progress. This responsive approach helps in creating a dynamic learning environment where students can thrive. Moreover, technology plays a significant role in facilitating personalized learning. Digital tools offer resources that adapt to students' individual learning styles and paces. For example, online platforms can provide customized practice problems, interactive simulations, and engaging multimedia content. These resources not only cater to different learning preferences, but also allow students to explore subjects more deeply, fostering a sense of curiosity and a lifelong love for learning. In conclusion, personalized learning represents a shift towards a more student-centered approach in education. By addressing the diverse needs of learners through tailored instruction, empowered student agency, data-driven practices, and the integration of technology, we can cultivate an environment where every student has the opportunity to succeed. This innovative approach not only enhances engagement, but also promotes a deeper level of understanding, ultimately leading to better academic outcomes and more prepared individuals for the future.